Eba munyina kwa babiem emfa emra badwam so bra wi yesi mpensenpensenmu ebeto aso ede amamo mpenefo atrase ye baba twe enkomo ba kwekwa me was statement be from the office of the president signed by secretary to the president Callistus Mahama PhD was said to Edward Nana Yaokranten, chief executive officer Minerals Income and Investment Fund Accra. Dear Mr. Cranton, revocation of appointment as CEO of the Minerals Income and Investment Fund. I write to formally inform you that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has revoked your appointment as the Chief Executive Officer of the Minerals Income and Investment Fund, effective immediately. You are directed to hand over your duties to the President representative at the Ministry of Finance, Honorable Dr. Ato Forson, who will oversee the operations of the fund until a substantive chief executive officer is appointed. The President extends his great gratitude for your service to the nation. Copy to the Vice President, Office of the President, Jubilee House, the Chief of Staff, then to Honorable Dr. Cassiel Ato Forson, President Representative at the Ministry of Finance. First CEO casualty. Yeah, but and Mampeni, say the CEO Edima Myth. Openi Edward Nana Yaokranten, Efna Jumenia Emma Newie. And this letter came yesterday. So I believe say as for now, because say immediate effect. See, I believe say as of now na opening, so I had the need for a handy over. Ediama, the President Representative, your war. Ministry of Finance. Honorable Ebenezer Oklete tell Abi, MP for Lower Menya Krobo constituency. Honorable Samuel Pay, former MP for Ayensu and constituency in the Eastern region. Me in the Eastern. Honorable Cordier.
Now what then?
Yamiad now.
Afrishapa.
Africa.
African say na yetias me na menina kuyi amayen. Maminia Honorable Afrishapa.
Africa you
congratulating also.
Yes.
Okay.
Africa papa. What if you now say more Africa?
Yeah, just do
so ni you know what I use and more Africa.
Honorable tell Abi. Congrats.
Thank you very much.
But 47% in Eastern region are not there.
Well, it was hard work, and we knew that a referendum on Akufo-Addo ni Nejumo.
Okay.
I've started that no vigilance in Adezuka. You know, the party did well because leadership was up to the task, and Obiang didn't huji.
Do you think it's easy for the party to continue in that momentum? Or do you see there's a difference between opposition campaign and government campaign?
Well, you see, we share the trajectory, and we share normal cost no elections, votes, there was the signal no bar from 2020.
Okay.
2020 now, is our signal. Say, people are looking at us, Ghanaians. Obia, you know, people are taking interest in whatever is going on around them. Now, Ghanaians, you know, the American say to say, we, Abua, if you free Tino, then Zoo, Ujan,
yeah.
if you free Tino, then you will not see it. Na edumre a obepemu quality a eno om dey akire political parties and we need to really make sure say we carry the people along. Okay. So see and carry people along, not just telling them about our visions, our policy and program now, but they must also feel it. I didn't go skewed. Ebe yo one. Na the say no and a man Ghanaians a punish here started from 20 2020 and 2024 one share mukena ama baby I do say it's a lesson to all of us.
Okay.
Say you have to use it for the benefit of the people one to about the man. Yeah.
Honorable Epe, when him say what we interview I remember 2016 and this illusion assemble akwa amparting penfo be can say it for Antoaba. 2024 yeah from MPP in penfo be say it for Antoaba. Now does it mean say a chita for no say it can't continue to be business as usual? It doesn't matter say many pani I pay. So yeah then I'm in pa or something in the catch them.
Actually, yes, MPP NDC and strength in terms of membership and party affiliates. Yeah. 42%, 43, 44%. Both sides. Okay. 41, 42%
of the voter population.
Yes, on the voter population. Until we are floating voters, no. But swing it to your side, no. Now, where we need. Normally, no. That is the strength. Our researchers be
wait, sorry. So are we saying say both MPP, but who makes me 7.5 million supporters?
No, that was for the
party supporters.
Okay.
We see party supporters and affiliates.
And affiliates, okay.
Because Obi Oha or no Otifi.
Yeah.
Also made me NDC. We are the Denga or the voter regional NDC number 2 about.
Yeah.
But only party card. On GDs.
Okay.
They are the party affiliates. Okay. They are people who are affiliated to the party. We are the Deng. And they are what card bearing members of the party. Only the one you have 1 million.
Yeah.
So make one more to about
okay.
Biz in America. Nti say ekoba say wo party for no. It decided say bibi anko yi. Ya treaty yi. Unkunya unkudi. Nti no me nkoto aba. Now party for na nkoto aba. Na say floating voters no so entman swing more into your ender. Na I diamond. Yeah. Inti yan de yan pasi be conclude say a party. Yan party for anko to abenti na yan win. That's how it looks like because I wish 2020 numbers are nyai. Now 2020 numbers are NDC nyai. It's about 120,000 votes in the back NDC the no. Yeah. And they lose close to about 2.something million votes. Some vote na you lose, you know. Emu 200,000 crying this year again. What am I gonna say? Emu about 2.2 million votes na you lose, you know. NDC, we shall move vote to Munyano 2020 now. They gain 120,000 votes, which is even less than the 200,000 that die in 2 million or so. Nature say, nipa kwato abama yen no. Say emu 50% kura ahwere won kwa weni ho a. At least ebeka 1 million mewa sa 1 million no wo de beka voter yenya no 2020 no ho a eyiwa na say about 1 million of MPP voters no decided say what to abama yen 2020 this time round wan to abama yen no so wan to abama yen DC yes wan to abama eninti and I set up a team
okay
headed by right honorable Makokwe say yen hwe say in summer nipa bi kesi ebufu winti MPP fu bi ankoto aba eyampa na ye beda na yehu yen ukọ polling station bi e beto aba register na electoral commission edema yen ye printed dem a polling station bi and ukọ to ase primary school ba bi ameto aba na
yeah
MPP agent no kita register no what to aba wi a now the voters ID card no ama no wa hwe wudin no wa take
yeah
na nkronketwa no so at least obi anim say oyi NDC ni oyi do MPP ni we nti ye pese ye sa list no
okay
ni ahwe ni a ye members no take care no ni ahwe MPP fu ewom ni NDC fu ni ahwe voter turnout do electoral commission the voter turnout ababa ye so ye ahwe ye register ni man ye be say asimasi we 2020 obeto aba the possibilities obeto aba MPP no e high 2024 wa meto
yeah
nti ye ahwe sa statistics na and auditing na ye be na and na be ye hu so wampa nipa no won ameto ama yen ana se wobeto we na won anto ama MPP sa auditing ni ebehu yehu a that to give us away adenti no won ameto. Is it the performance of the President Kufuor's and Bawumi's government? One. And I say, maybe I now ban the performance in ye. I am infrastructure development, baby, economy, and the fault international. But the fact is, we want to manage the economy well. But the one man when you uncle check who party funi yesu na ebufu bema. One go to aba. You see, I'm not going to fast so you conduct yen primaries, no.
Okay.
Both presidential and parliamentary. Ebi ana anko ye. Because say me wanna me to say Obi, I don't know, it's been alleged, say Obi de half plot of land to about 1,000 delegates. And everyone say 500 delegates, Mr. 20. Now Obi a man half plot of land, they say onye no go to aba. A allegation by say you no kware, say you no kware, me ameti me ni adanse. Now so vote are cast based on perception.
Yeah.
Me pesanka me national executive members and a national regional executive members let me post into that allegation. They say no quite be woman. Say I'm pass a parliamentary candidate be ma obia half plot say onye no go to abama nana. Say no quite be anima near to me about pointing strongly near be debunk that allegation. But then you tell so many circulating the Ghana nyina. And you know, I made a example. Other constituencies are made to me. So, and also can be na yen to me and we near now. Inti ye person be a person train. Not committee near my committee never in interben, every upon out to her at the be about email address name, be about pointing out. Party member be who say Bribinti a course in Tina. A month for MPA amber to Abama Fabra. Near Shim. You really and said CBB potting, so it's not any NDC for year after 2016. Near said to me with CBB, what is a D or be a Roberto elections. I will lose ya. Me lose elections, a pen, Winnie be pen. Won't me found saying, see, at the back, purchase a yinty, never lose elections. The factors may be many. Okay. Until you factors now, near if you say address on one after the other. Now, you know, NDC for the zoning say, what car can now could Tima. Obia baby close to be Jiran Chenka to say, oh, you travel Benkum and Kaupi. You travel, which years 3,000 and then I Kaupi. No, be archer of car. This is S one nan and over the one sat a son. It had been you know better than Hakavia and a becan is you, Marty. Also, would none if I want sat son. Yandi, Esso Yansa. Okay. To say yes, and I, yeah, the shall say to me the answer. Almost had a crack at Tamano. But you see, almost had a Catamano. Next one is said, sending time on what can say baby and he said, defeat no thing. Yes, yes, I Eastern region, yeah, crash 65%. So they got to yeah, vote in seat now, Baba do 23%. Me say me call no consistency me call boy you make here am so lose. I think plan why extra. Me call you. Me call upper menya, me call lower menya. Wow. Oh, me boy you me call no consistency me call her twice. Me no na bo brand champion. You dey can call boy you ho so na Dr. Badwam Mpensenpensenmu. Yeah, no question. Yeah, me who signals and me who let him see a winning and okay. And I will say
you me that say I'm say miniano wakasa na the omukano say we 2 million votes be number the way enye no correct.
And you're going to 2 million votes be a man.
2 million votes be anybody. This is a true reflection of your elections that we're going to handle. Okay. And I can assure you, sir, it is going to continue. The trend is going to continue. It doesn't mean, sir, NDC and Lusu CTB and NCBB. But to share this range, you know, voter turnout between 64, 65, maximum 66. Now, previous elections, you know, now you have vigilance and an war form. 2020, we put in place a lot of structures because we did proper interrogation of the results. Voting pattern, no need results, near share. The tutu normal be brave. Am I who say? Ayana and someone phobi to about what constituencies be no. Yes.
How?
I'm telling you. Now, more media, me sure say those tapes ne PA and more TB. Muhu ballot, printed ballot, papers near dia. Amount for. Eko PA so. Ni nyina yentimi amfa nko ye adwuma. Ni nyina kan. Anything that make us say if we continue to be vigilant, all the political parties, all of us, na yemfa no kure enye adwuma, we be hu the true reflection of your Juma. Because MPP full be a cry. Woman kasa woman no tom. Say a Juma woman buy baby a tosin.
Okay.
Na kebe on say I go make you win this election. Na during the election, I can buy me who I pay in Crawford in our mobile woman. We share the kind of confidence I want to buy on now mystery. They've lost touch with the people of Ghana. And it's one more friends say defeat and yet surprising at all. Okay. Unless now only for me, a short I pay he saw it coming. So we can cry. Who say oh, I'm telling you.
Farmer dancer.
Who say
I was so confident.
But they were just trying. So the Abobi be war pray. They were just trying. One put some discover film. One put some say. But I tell you, the people had already resolved. Now, Mejidi say to us as NDC no. Ghana for the Ejuma Kakraka Ashenza. Now, me say the kind of leadership I was saying, we are going to deliver.
Okay.
Now, you be here, Obia on board. Obia, everybody. It's as a baby, I could do say no more my day. Now, we only need to be honest with our people. You can't cry and try. And that's anything. His Excellency John Domani Mahama, the castle can inaugural we see inaugural speech in Ghana. I did be truthful. I am going to be truthful to the people of Ghana. Essence, I only know Mawufie. Now I keep you 10 cities. Now, umani live like Oma yet you 100 cities. Ubebre. What it means is say among 100, you live within your means.
Okay.
Say you live within your means. But ultimately, in fact, 10 cities in a drinking spot. No abu. Now ba no be catch your mouth. He say skinny. They will not agree. They will not trust you.
Okay.
And and I think that is the key. So we didn't cry. Emrabe Juma. Bibia obey principle, obey discipline. And me bo omanpanya baso ewo saa de na okan no me kan some time ago mu tape so we say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the problem no wo no an say okan no kre. He will tell you the truth. Dum so buy no or say I'm going to fix it. One shift to blame because we share the history of dum so even mu cry do maybe ye dey asofo ne ko bom pae ma akoso modam e yokoto nika kitin bi e dey buy ni ade nyina. But when what he said was that no he will not. The fact is and Adeno at the time no now you have a problem with capacity. He is going to fix it and personal Obefi abemunu. Now there was nothing like doing so.
What do you pay? Enura vetting. Dr. Kesa Ato Forson in the first budget, you be who say abai abolish E-Levy and a fee betting tax.
Maminchia Minia Ato. Men in the Parliament 2009.
Okay.
We were very young then. It's near our young MPs, your association be. Now or a member. And now we're very close. You share as young MPs in the year 5 years. Now it's gone through the ranks. About the year Minister of Finance. He started by Deputy Minister of Finance. Over here, Chairman. Before then, over here, Chairman, a ranking member of the Finance Committee in Parliament. Over here, they were Deputy Minister of Finance, ranking member of Finance, became a minority leader, majority leader, today Minister of Finance. Until we go through the process. Me manitinkwa. Ejuma kesepa da nanima obeye. Until Anton Boase na onye. Ontu men ministers are na omo finance ministry ho. Related to the immediate past Minister of Finance. Madam Mehubi, I've been chairman of a committee who said ministers so back on on the immediate past minister no what the parliament lobby ho no we didn't come would be to me am our journey. I feel no other boss honorable setekwe unchu meno na o man akwan a to me afaso. When we meet no vetting okay nsɛm ni bia mpempi no nsɛm a ɔbɛka wɔ vetting no ɛnyɛ ni nyinaa na sɛ yɛ pass a wotumi di adwuma because minister ɛnɛma ni bi ɔkora sɛ ɔkɔgye approval from cabinet nti ɔbɛka so me abolish E-Levy ɔbɛkɔ na cabinet bɛka kyerɛ wo say we have bought into IMF program ɔma threshold ɛnyɛ IMF na di E-Levy ma yɛ na mu ɔma threshold for our generation revenue generation inti say ube E-Levy for the aden na odo ba sha na mu we betting tax everywhere aden na odo ba sha na mu ukweyi how do you call it COVID levy aden na odo ba sha na mu apa Dr. Bawumia kan so ba obe abolish sa levy but wo ye no na wo hwe say obukwa akonya revenue ni bi afi ba bi dia ba sha na mu se na be ya wo threshold IMF dia ma wa ninti also we fulfill and son about to me a benefit from why it's say bailout no e boa yen any scanner de ba no kwa na so e boa yen e ma ye to me your debt restructuring it say we fi bailout to be catch us okay and debt na ya suspend the amount no and I dey ache no ya reverse na kona kutua and insane bebre beba nti wa kan 70 bebre bibi ti say to levy also about obesan e dey aba obekọ cabinet no hona transport minister and a roads minister be catch you say even road fund no kra ho no sika about road fund no mu to no is about 4% or 3%. Now the chunk of it if you fuel levy and a DVLA road worthiness certificate mu na eba nti say yes no yes implications what you have to go through to get these two things done and then the page na traffic move fuel aye ben no akasa in the few years past now I feel say you try to boot mu na ye fi ho no o can say it's a very good idea until somebody wa can be na mo nye ni nyina na wo de ko parliament sorry cabinet be ji atoma ma me hu minister wa package issue and a project dey akọ parliament and a program dey akọ cabinet na cabinet catch see there be we there you can't do it
I said we no be obeka say a promise by the leader of the party and now president Onankasa Bush or shares
Entina making president will be to my share but cabinet be discuss you know about a year will be pen president go for a promises about fuels or call cabinet could decide they our share ministers in the one report about no who so ya enyi or ba pa Ghana for chew nti amfa ho say president Nagasa na aka wo cabinet no Jojo no who say no hadu we ye yifu e be how adwene obeka so bi ye yifu na say ye be yifu ni akopɛ tax foforo ba bi dia behyem wo ye so Ghana for is now well away
but be out no fit say will be prudent say you be E-Levy and betting tax.
If you are one, me we E-Levy before a be promote e-banking and your momo money transfer near the idea a be promote into we if you are but we here for a so corporate tax we will be the best.
Do we have any report that say E-Levy a buy no transaction electronic transaction a drop here?
Maybe and drop here. Me dem before say akon anim. But ye nyira ye nim say we if you are be kon anim asen sania e kon anim. Hey, bi abeka ho. Nti eno na ye hwe ne yenka. 2. Mesre minua ato. Menim say wo hwe se na osi e kasa ne se na o ye ne nyama of vetting as definitely you are even the majority to approve him into obabe ye. Mesre ne say okodu ministry wa we have fine experienced technocrats at the ministries obetumi dey use one. There are the projects and the programs. Obe prepare budget. There are technocrats in there. Ebinum obi oha oye adwuma Ministry of Finance na Lawrence na president. The late President Lawrence. Yeah. The late President Kufo Abba. The late Mills Abba. Mahama 1 Abba. Ekufuado about 8 years. Ni nyina our ministry. We are prepare budgets upon budget. Obi kuta ni PhD or your ministry. Obi kra ye PhD professor or chirade university or your Ministry of Finance. So they have fine brains. Our Ministry of Finance. Now we a minister, now be Minister of Finance. Now you what can say? Oba sideline is directors in the fine brains in nyina. Na we kukuru o budget program bi akoma consultants. Na consultants ni ye wie na wa charge we are now their bread directors some implement abenya problem. Some may even end up sabotaging you. And we would say fine technocrats na one obi MPP, obi NDC, obi a CPP, obi a PNC. But when it comes to approach of their worker, it's not partisan. Nti mesre say all community and not onkwa we nyina go and use the technocrats at your ministry. Se wo kodu baby na adwuma na wo ye
some former ministers be also me aware say some of these technocrats no do mo kotos no e ka ho bi na mo failure at their ministry.
They don't have evidence to show that. But na minimum say adwuma bi wo na hwe na bro technocrats na ho den so ya at the meeting management meeting at the ministry. What we propose say yeah, we pasi the comma consultant bi no ye ba de ehwe. Okay. E bi kura time a mo be take data ni ade nyina e be hia consultant bi. Me can say 100% don't outsource some of your programs and your projects. No, we can't. But men sidelining, I say, ministers say a micromanage their ministries. Minister be oha, hey, the deputy minister on fano, the chief director on fano. Bribiare was say, Efananu. Now, me will company kitwe be a road a drains ne rules a yiniade. Na ya adwuma entu ayenka. Open minister uhun na wa kan wa asema kire no. Wokọ directors wa, chief director say, high pay. Payment na ya me hu na meti ade atu aka. But ye wo chief director. Now directors never prepare list of payment because no that region BI or regional highways engineer, federal roads engineer, urban roads engineer, district BI or federal roads engineer. Into no name contractors are very sensitive areas BI or say it you.
That's a payment request come quite approve.
Nti we na minister no who favorite BI person so mo fa list way income or list na homa.
Okay.
But say we minister now hijack payment. Ekoshe private office baby a ministers directors no kura ehun ni awo ya emu ya Europe nti work with free consultancy advice, allow your technocrats to work. Every baby na grass cutting when him grass cutting kwan won don't from one man contractors ni ntua wanka every baby na road pothole patching obehwa emna honorable Asenso Bayer minister. One said there was massive road potholes patching. So we need to farmer. You see, he allowed the technocrats to take charge of payment, and whenever said technocrats know your PhD in civil engineering. Why you do ministry who actually on himself percent kwancha number 1 road maintenance. It woman acquire. He will pay much attention to road maintenance, prepare the list, prepare the contract, prepare the payment, and bring it to you for signing. So how that can we got kwetana kwa na bi no ahwe. And you go and hit the wall. Meaning Ato, Oko finance one. You're very careful. Allow the technocrats to work. Baby, we hear consultants in moment say my way, me per se. And our cabinet to quite agree say, young farmer consultant be no nyamra na yenhwe. Okay. Ebeboa. 2. Minia Samuel Jinapo. Okay.
Energy Minister
designate. Those days, me carpa 2009, 2010. Me no, I was my sister station at Empire. Okay, Satanamo Pentagon Pyramid House. You continuously that's we became friends. One day be on a hot debate. Me who I know so. Matter I told me about him. I'm so didn't put up between the bottoms in India. No, I'm separate here. Opia boy me so of every biaba. Oba no akoto by I actually chinam. I pay you. I was boiling what's so many. And we ate. Me refer our story da. Nti a fine gentleman will go through the process, the mail in the energy sector. And we just say, "Wa bi we tie ne kasa, mpempi no me am say me the kasa ne be judge ni pa ne performance." Bo be kan asem ne fefefe, so the adwuma ne hye ne nsa ontumye. But no de wa ye deputy pen. Nti me ka say oye deputy minister 2012 elections. Me be ko elections me ahwe hye wa ye so ano. Na dum so nso ginamu ofre me da koro. When we say NDC, obra no power the previous NDC. Omo importo a rechargeable lamp be a yellow bizarre. Yeah. He gave me 350 pieces. Wow. Yeah. Say I pay for do so about kwacha wo coincidence. Na me de e boa me pa in my bet to win that promise. Inti we've been friends, but kate bi wo sa ministry ho.
Energy ministry.
Yes. So they can hold your boss. What mean tiam?
Technocrats yeah.
Baby. Independent power producers. I was say we find ways beer, and I like the way former energy minister Matupuku Prempe handled them. Okay. Uber lobbies. One query the gidia. Because okay, what the make chameke, when chameka
me shut it down.
Yes, then I mean. What the make council do? Inti on tono boase. Yeah, buy no, not 5 billion energy debts. No.
5 billion.
Yes. And then $3 billion on your cities.
Oh.
And then $3 billion.
Over $5 billion
exactly.
energy
Today
debt.
it's $3 billion.
The reference 2.5.
I thought it was 2.5.
Oh,
2.5 billion.
5 billion. Now you're about 3 billion. Mr. When I'm the pastor which I want to. Into yes, sir.
Okay.
Obey. Just in a sound microphone. Obey handle one.
Okay.
Afa. Senebeya doom so and sign ember. There's been some statistics I actually say. In going forward, we have to increase our install capacity. Dr. Bawumia promises say, send your fuel prices echo on globally. And who be here say the abundant sun you produce solar panels, the energy. Into a promise 2,000 megawatts of solar. I don't know, a install capacity of about 4,000 now. It is on my way 6,000. Why needed capacity is about 4,000, less than 4,000. Me and no, Mr. Obama and Nko, renewable energy sector.
But I see, or I was someone I pay former MP for years. But I'll say, Comula, you heard the boys in the BD. You must have see. Welcome back. It's boys, Nediska. There we are because one day and pay a member. And we are 12 and you made 6. But there be a fat two things. I guess we are best a match there. Na betting tax a free honum. Na se kwemu ada all the amount. So still on E-Levy betting tax. 2024 E-Levy Emma Ghana 2.1 billion Ghana cedis. 2025 see it was what is projected to be my best 2.4 billion Ghana cedis. COVID-19 levy Emma 3.1 billion Ghana cedis last year. Seka say it was for this year, it bet me 3.97 billion Ghana cedis. But I buy say a burden.
So close to about 5 billion.
Yeah, that's a
Ghana cedis. So
Ghana cedis. That's a close to about 7.37 billion Ghana cedis.
There's $64 now here.
Now your budget is prepared in Ghana cedis.
No, what I'm saying is
your budget is prepared in Ghana cedis, not in dollars.
I'm saying, well,
E-Levy betting tax.
no, you didn't allow me to comment on the vetting.
Oh, okay.
Of my colleagues. Mefa sakwenye so na fiti say when we appointment you know me nya kwan ma platform dia so say am congratulate woman. The edikano His Excellency John Dramani Mahama congratulate him and I continue to do that. But me congratulate Chief of Staff Julius Debra.
Yeah.
DMO Eastern Region.
Okay.
Yes. Because Osaya Makunta.
Yeah,
Makunta. So.
Okay, you just got to quack.
Yes. Otaya Makunta. So. Oh, near your crew Nintina.
Okay.
And the first three ministers are a virtual woman run and run. With TV home, with TV home throughout the day, and I really said to myself, "Say we have the men." Now, I have never doubted their capabilities. No, never, because they be a because me a teacher. Now, one thing now. Every good teacher and so to me observe. Now in Parliament, me pen the paper say me assessment of people who can perform. Me to me a year papa.
Okay.
I know. I look at people from afar. And hear noise. But the way the person carries himself, and the contributions, not too much, but relevant, very important interventions near the Omuye. Now me who eno ewo Ato me hu eno ewo JJ mu ena above all so me hu wo ayeni u hwe se no conducting hu wo parliament hu say on kasabi breo onye gidigidi but the intervention bia a master stroke and indeed we have the men now as you said no they cannot do it alone. Okasano, Esanko is very specific about Ministry of Finance. The course wa nenye because your minister be no ba hono. Ono sisa ni private staff and the populating Ministry of Finance.
Minister.
Oforiata, Ken Oforiata. Or the data bank. Oh, look. Oh, unim. There's no need. Maybe I may do this. I mean, try for anything. But one man, kasa.
Yeah, no more. Obey your complaining.
Yes.
No, wow, so say, humanity more.
There be omuni or the woman bar. Ministry honum
as workers.
Workers, yes.
It in a casino.
Me uncle ba mi tete. Say no data bank. So they no call securities and STDs whatever.
Talking about the ministry itself.
Ministry hold
on. They mention names.
Oh no.
Or the data bank
from
ministry.
Yes.
It is our data bank for no one year.
Ebinimo. Eno na. Ene me kan to so do hono ma. As I said there. His Excellency ayeno. Eso mom kwa no go to. So e private space no hono because yes.
Oh how?
Oh say if we have to go by what Minian Kayana. There are technocrats who may Juma no one, but to be by no, they didn't trust them. Go far. On one staff or do a movie, private sector. No, buy and be take you over a lot of the things. Why interface? We have interface with them. No, they have one more job. That.
So it means some baby will free yourself. Your phobia.
Well, I don't know, and I mean to me, but the hands no, or the man binimun no, ye almost redundant. Because a Juma said you say we will be away by Jim Papa. Now say where Juma say bra na be prahanum. Now Obana Akufo be every month be a tuaka. One kasa job satisfaction here come. And also very important to keep body and soul together. Say wakoye adwuma say we are satisfied. What do you mean? Because you be able to meet jai adwuma not because of the salary no. But because it be a unya space express ni whatever ni idea also here.
But any too harsh so because the finance minister no eba enkofu esusu second frata form free data ban the call finance minister no onyu omu nyina.
I don't think say we fa we through public services no. No. I don't think so.
It's omu your contract staff and I say
well that one I don't know but what I know they say yeah interface with a lot of them. When we are during budget hearing anyway you know you be bi no mu aye nimbi aye take complaints ni bi so free finance on mo
so mo na beji o modwuma ye
yes
yeah was me so pure moka from controller
I can't go that far
okay
but what I'm saying is it's on record say the data bank staff Bank of Ghana the same thing or say bi no mu ko and you know the person me can say say me nuanu be ya adwen say womo a womo wo ho no mu a ya fa womo public service ya training womo because they spend a lot in their training on these womo staff no na ya training womo na say enye say nipa no show some level of incompetence there then say oni womo ye adwuma na womo a ya kofa womo from outside no Ediabano. You let them go. No, I'm going to operate on space. I know I'm what I know. I think so. No. So no can you know. And I am happy doing the vetting. No. Okay, baby. I say, look. Obetie or a good listener. On ye, the ebinimu ye no. Before he will listen. He will. I'm sure. Say he will work with the economic management team. He be form. Uncle ji adwuma no se onu kwa na adwe ewo ni team aniti no the American say omubo modern pa enra and I am so impressed but as I said no I have no doubt say won be yes because there are people I know and I monitor watch them from afar to say obi a assessment.
Okay.
No. I saw it very, very far. And I make a choice. And then your mommy pen the paper say, me assessment of me and my colleagues, both sides. I can give you a deviation over say plus or minus 1. Okay. And it, you know, I had no doubt, and indeed, they did not prove me wrong. And it, you know, kudos to all of them. They were you know, very impressive. And another thing, one thing I didn't like was well, he's my friend. I don't want to say anything on set, you know, about him. But I'm saying, if you know leadership, they should be firm. Now, vetting and go smooth because we say interjection. It got to a point. Me nipa minority leader. I'm saying, oh sorry, I'm saying. I know the to say oh what do you hini that na ya ba ye o akwa obe pray kakra you know let's allow him kakra na on pray but as I said no in all no the performance was excellent and I believe that to translate into you know improving our lot in this country you know nyankopon no omwa oka E-Levy, any betting tax.
Betting tax, yeah.
That's right. And I make a choice, I will convert your dollars. No, I hear.
Yes, you current rate.
Well, whichever. No, I
hear. Last year, there was some compared last year rate. And now, open this.
Well, at the end of the year, you have Ludu frontally.
And that's a budget is preparing.
But what I'm saying is, hey, when it's used to. But you see, I am surprised there.
Okay.
Every before, more suggestions. You think that when Baumia promises in India, and India a year, but when your mama who started and indicated say obey E-Levy if you from the word go we didn't minority we didn't support E-Levy. because you feel say you're regressive. M1 and equitable.
Okay.
Because say me the ATM card ko na me go use car. Me ntua. Me tua charges. You know there. But me tua E-Levy. And also electronically, you know, transmitted money now on their money. Oh. Now obi ko yi nisika no the koto ade any there. But if I use my momo to pay there, na me tua. Now say who koto ade na say usu betua with momo. Obeka just say fa be too so. It is adding to the cost.
I think it's started because I'm on for it as because me na me send no. Me na me tua E-Levy no. Enye wa will receive it.
Set it. And make an.
It's a me
next time would you say? Next time would you say we could tua 10,000 yes me tua 100 Ghana.
Yeah.
Right? We are sure say next time we go ATM and go yi scanning fee on me because you won't pay anything. If I receive money in cash now, you will not pay anything. Or if I pay, I won't add anything to it. So that's what you're going to say. And you know, that inclusion, you know, I financial inclusion, and I pray their mind. So E-Levy, you know, escatel no.
Maybe chia won't chia no. It's also save you from some inconvenience. If you are sorry, ako bank. Ebi as a bank ne me wa obi tu wan kasa car untu wan kasa car kra nka be fa bia tax na be fa bia trotro looking at that charge as compared to E-Levy then am
you see that it depends on nipano nisika the value of whoever.
Okay,
so they say obu ohono a they say market women because of this armed robbery near the okoto ne bro ewo we are not say 1,500 the capital dey high. Or transportation, no was saying. Then you know, 100 ni way also, and some of their bread. So to the Americans, and it you know on the spell of the moment, you know, so time now was saying this kind of. Now doing and court transportation, we are now say bibisu say that they can't be brain, you know. No, because it may be a tremor or saying it on Tuawe. The Oya say other charges no can also be in the transportation anyway, no. But E-Levy no additional extra about the count. So they make an answer. And you know, say today they make an who call ATM now go give now you two best 50 cedis. Who bet me I can say 50 cedis will be transportation here. It's about matter. But yenti E-Levy e was so. Into sikano ebi mekano and a bit official.
About 2.1 billion Ghana this year from E-Levy. When you say give it the Republic of
be a tax expert, but O-level economics kakra mission and see were elasticity of demand, elasticity of tax, normal be now the effect of overtaxing. When people are who bedding amount for with taxes be brave, after they will be avoiding it. Because who share? I'm say one these are principles only one these are we need buy now. Who say and then yet as I say yeah the bowl I be see on. Now I'm sorry. Oh, for 100 cedis bra, for 200 bra, the number of people who will come will be limited. But so, Obia, the Obia, for betum. Yeah. Uber who say? Adom beba. Him say that principle is not apply when it comes to taxes. Say a war former. Nipa nu tuakra Obia nyane mfihu. Obia nkofa bush. Avoid it. Sa tax no. And also nkofa bebia because say lower the cost of evading the tax will be more.
Okay, so I was saying, do you think say as a nation, it may be so stabilize the economy? So vis-a-vis your place your dollar to cedi inflation maybe your bobber single digit. Now I want to buy a month more. Do you think that people are going to complain about the taxes?
See, the Americans say. You see, yesterday I listened to Ato, and I think it was very educating. Okay, maybe you say. We are leaving the micro aspect and looking at always the macro. the real sector no. So when you are adding value, who create jobs along the the supply chain. Wamako harvest, who the buy no, the car driver for the aba, at the core factory. Factory no one who ebi no wako room. Say raw material na aba no, obi so add value, obi packaging, obi yesi. You are creating jobs along the line. And now age growth into the eba. And it will set people would certainly be paying taxes along the line. And and also boost revenue generation. And you don't need to bring in new tax handles. But say, if you look properly at the micro level now, there are real jobs are created now. When people have when they increase their purchasing power or they have it, those who don't have it now, if they get jobs, what do?
They pay taxes.
They pay taxes.
So can you assure a man for a share no pay say under the 4-year reign of John Dramani Mahama, ye nya taxes be?
Well, it doesn't, and it doesn't mean to me because I am not the manager of the economy. And taxes need be one. I wouldn't say yemfa bibia emma. Mean to me can. But right now, no, those two taxes, no, and I'm happy say opposition leader no, Baumia, Dr. Baumia, also promise here. Even ministers, you can have 60, no, also by 50, and then no, MB before I can say 60 no.
Okay.
So they say, and then you see E-Levy you be here for. Almost a one also jump for so betting tax you be here for a one job. But today they are talking about the fact that we are going to lose. Yes, we will lose some revenue, but what we are saying is insignificant. Other things will help.
Lower media trouble. Meaning the acquisitions here, or trade up for. On a boy pay it as so we can one pay. Macron, or trade